Hello everybody, I am on the AZTEC protocol website. I'm going to go over how AZTEC protocol is going to affect the privacy of Ethereum. Okay, so like, subscribe, leave a comment on anything in this video so we can kind of answer it and get more information out there for everybody. Okay, AZTEC, fast privacy for Web3. Okay, right here, privacy Ethereum payments is one line of code. Privacy SDK, fast integration. Integrate with one line of code. There we go. Okay, the gas station network gives your users gasless transactions and improve your DApp UX, sovereignty, privacy. Your users have guaranteed privacy, even from us. Okay, here's some live tokens: ZKDAI, ZKBTC, ZKETH. So I don't know what the first one is. If you know, let me know. But the middle one is going to be BTC Core, Bitcoin Core, and then ETH is going to be Ethereum. And they have ZK, so I'm guessing this coin is wrapped, like an AZTEC wrap on it or something like that, which is kind of like a derivative. That's more like a stock market term, but it's kind of like a derivative. So you'll cloak the main asset in something, let's say some type of, you'll cloak it in something, and then you could sell it for something else, but a derivative of it. So you're not selling your asset, but you're selling the cloaked asset. It's something like that. That's what happened in 2008. Ready for, okay, let me scroll down. Okay, Zero G program. We are inviting D apps to provide for our 12-month launch programming. I'm thinking I'm supposed to say program. I don't know, but programming. The program gives you a year of zero gas execution for your users, dedicated support, and help with our acquisition. Okay, what is in there? There's zero gas, operating gas free until our scaling technology launches later this year. Support 10 hours dedicated support each month from AZTEC engineers. Recognition: we will exhibit your project on our web page and social media. You can apply there. Okay, the roadmap. Here's their roadmap. Data privacy. That seems to be everything. So this protocol is all about making your data, your coins, your Ethereum, your transactions private. That is what AZTEC's about. I really do love the name. I actually love that name. I love the name. I don't know if I love the protocol. Okay, AZTEC's toolkit of 5 proofs give you data privacy. Use them to privatize ERC20 tokens or make your own private assets from scratch. Browse them here. Okay, making your own assets from your own private assets from scratch. That sounds like what the Federal Reserve does. The Federal Reserve just print money. Let's see what this is saying though. Dividends allow the distribution of income on zero knowledge assets without revealing the value of the dividend, interest, or coupon. So think about, you're not revealing the value of the dividend that you're getting to the world. Mint or burn. Allow the creation and destruction of fully private zero knowledge assets. Okay, so you can create assets, you can destroy assets. Private, public, private range. Proof that a zero knowledge asset has a value greater or smaller than another zero knowledge asset, or public integer without revealing the asset's value. sent similar to a Zcash joint split transaction. This proof is used to transfer value stored into Zcash. Sorry, into AZTEC. Inside AZTEC. Swaps allow two entities to trade zero knowledge assets without the value of the assets being revealed. Okay, so you can just like, so I can swap one asset for another. I can swap one coin for another without it being fully disclosed on the block, on something, on whatever, on the blockchain. I'm guessing that, okay, I went from Ethereum to BTC, if I can swap them like that, and if the price fluctuation went up and I made money, maybe it doesn't show. Is that what that's saying? If you think that's what that's saying, please leave a comment below. Let me know. Okay, so that's everything. That's all of them. Let's see. Okay, user privacy. Okay, we'll be adding anonymity so users can avoid leaking details on where they're spending their money, who pays them, and other sensitive information on counterparties. So nobody will know where the money's coming from. Avoid leaking details, where you spend your money, them, and other sensitive information. Okay. Code privacy. Finally, we will be making it impossible to tell which smart contracts a user is calling, ushering in the era of dark contracts. Dark contracts. What do you think about the era of ushering in dark contracts, where we have finally made it possible to tell impossible to tell which smart contracts a user is calling, ushering. And okay, let me know what your thoughts are about this right here. The ushering in of dark contracts that AZTEC is going to be using on Ethereum and probably other coins. What do everybody think about that? I'm going to leave the link in the description below. There's a lot more you probably can read if you click on a couple other of these buttons up here. But I'm going to leave that up to you. Let me know what you think. Talk to you later. Bye.